Yesterday I said that any dip below the top line of our bull flag here would be a bear trap. It is nice to be right, but I'm very surprised to be proven to be right this fucking quickly. I thought we'd spend a little bit of time down here before getting bought up. This was crazy. Anyway, today is October 24th. Let's do a quick update on Bitcoin's chart, as well as take a look at the spot Bitcoin ETF products from yesterday. And yes, I am wearing a tank top. Now, as we already alluded to, and as you can see on the chart, what happened yesterday is we dipped down in just below the 21-day exponential moving average, making people think that if you're watching this in real time, that we were going to come down to 63K at the 55-day exponential moving average. That immediately got reversed quickly. People saw a buying opportunity in and below the top line of our bull flag and scooped Bitcoin up like crazy, to the point where in the last real 2, maybe 3 hours of trading in this daily candle, Bitcoin fell below and then it got bought back up above the 12-day exponential moving average and above our key line of support here, the top line of our bull flag. This tells me, this buy up, this long wick tells me that Bitcoin is not going to 64K at all. I mean, there's always a chance, right? But this tells me Bitcoin is not dipping below in any meaningful way below this key top line of support. But remember, while Bitcoin dominance remains very, very high, which I've shown in other videos, altcoins could still continue to see a little bit more sliding despite Bitcoin holding these levels. Now, in times like yesterday, where we're like, hey, there's some bearish momentum growing on the short term, but on the long term, we think things are really, really good and positive. It's more important to focus on the long term as you're trying to make decisions for yourself. The weekly chart here said that the stochastic RSI has more room to the upside. So us getting a bear trap, getting a fake out to the downside was more likely. And the MACD was supporting this as well with its bullish flip. Combine that with us getting a breakout of a bull flag pattern, which is a bullish pattern, you know, we as traders and investors asking ourselves the question of all time, do I buy right now and do I sell right now? Do I sell and try to buy back in lower, right? Just remind yourself that the overarching trend here is bullish. And if you're trying to time the market by selling now and trying to buy back in lower because we're all saying maybe 64K, maybe 63K, just err on the side of caution. And just keep dollar cost averaging, don't sell anything, because the overarching trend is your friend and the trend is bullish. And lastly, to end things out, the ETF products yesterday had a very bullish day again, a pretty damn big flip from the $80 million of outflows to basically $200 million of inflows, once again led by BlackRock. BlackRock is putting up stupid numbers. Look at these numbers by BlackRock. Basically 300 million, basically 400 million, 300 million, 70 million. Hey, a light day. 330 million, 43 million, a light day, $300 million. These buy orders from BlackRock, and to be specific, it's not BlackRock themselves, but it's BlackRock's customers, are astronomical. They see what's happening on the chart. They are buying. They see what's happening to gold hitting an all-time high. They see what's happening to silver hitting an all-time high. Store of value assets are flying, but Bitcoin has been it has been a lag or the bad. Anyway, I'm going to keep this. I'm not going to redo this one. And so they see that and they're positioning themselves for Bitcoin's breakout, right? And hopefully you all are as well. That is the update for the day. Hope you have a good day. Do good things. Be good people. Make a bunch of money.